Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to count yes in Google Sheets. So as you can see, I have this person right here, and here is if they are married or not. Simply I want to count the yes, so I will select the cell where I want to count it and then type in equals count if, then brackets, and here I have to select the range. So I will select the range where I want to count the yes, then comma and quotation marks. In the quotation marks, select the criterion, so in my case it is yes. It could be no, you can count whatever you want. So press enter, and right now as you can see 3, so it is 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.